Alright, listen up folks, we're living in an age of transformation. Artificial intelligence, AI, it's not just a buzzword anymore. And right at the heart of this seismic shift, you've got Palantir Technologies. This isn't some pie-in-the-sky dream, this is real. This is happening now. Let's talk about where Palantir cut its teeth. We're talking about Gotham. This platform is the original beast, the foundation upon which much of Palantir's legend has been built. Gotham was forged in the fires of national security. It was designed for government agencies for the toughest, most critical missions imaginable. Think counterterrorism, defense operations, global intelligence. Gotham has the uncanny ability to connect disparate pieces of information to find the patterns, the needles in a universe of haystacks that others can't even begin to see. It's about protecting nations and saving lives. What does Gotham actually do? Imagine a world drowning in data, signals intelligence, human intelligence, open source information, you name it. Gotham takes all of that from countless different sources and formats and integrates it. It creates a single unified view, a common operating picture. This allows analysts and decision makers in incredibly high stakes environments to see the full landscape. Now, Palantir didn't stop there. They took the power, the robustness, the sheer analytical muscle of Gotham and adapted it for the commercial world. Enter Foundry. This platform is Palantir's spearhead into the enterprise sector. It takes those government-grade data integration and analysis capabilities and brings them to businesses. Think about massive industries like manufacturing, finance, pharmaceuticals. Hold on to your hats because Palantir is now unleashing its next big weapon, the Artificial Intelligence Platform, or AIP. This is where the story gets incredibly exciting, especially for the commercial sector. AIP isn't just another AI tool in an already crowded market. Think of AIP as an operating system for artificial intelligence. It provides a framework that allows organizations to securely and effectively deploy, manage, and scale their AI models. This is the missing piece of the puzzle for so many businesses looking to harness the power of AI. How does AIP work its magic? It's designed to integrate seamlessly with an organization's existing data infrastructure, including Palantir's own Gotham and Foundry platforms. Crucially, AIP allows customers to leverage the latest advancements in AI, like large language models and other sophisticated algorithms, on their own private data. This is done safely and securely within their own network. This addresses one of the biggest concerns businesses have about AI data privacy and security. With AIP, there are no worries about sensitive information leaking out or compliance protocols being breached. The result? The commercial growth Palantir is seeing is nothing short of explosive. Companies across various industries are flocking to AIP. And why wouldn't they? AIP delivers tangible, measurable return on investment. It helps businesses make better, faster decisions. It uncovers hidden efficiencies. It unlocks entirely new revenue streams and product opportunities. Now, let's talk about Palantir's original stomping ground, the government sector. This isn't just a part of their business, it's the bedrock, the fortress from which they operate. We're talking about years, even decades of building trust and delivering results. Palantir is deeply embedded in critical government operations around the world. They're not just a vendor selling software licenses. They are a trusted partner for national defense, for intelligence agencies, for public safety organizations. Palantir is often the go-to solution for their most complex data challenges. This creates an incredibly strong, almost impenetrable moat around their government business. Competitors can't just replicate this overnight. And speaking of that government strength, get this. Fresh off the presses, as of May 21st, 2025, the U.S. Department of Defense just handed Palantir a massive vote of confidence. They announced a contract modification for Palantir's Maven Smart System software licenses for the Army. This modification increases potential spending by a whopping $795 million. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. Let's talk about the money, because at the end of the day, that's what moves the needle. Palantir is rapidly transforming into a profit-generating machine. For years, the bears chirped about profitability. Well, guess what? Palantir is now consistently delivering GAAP profitability. That's right, generally accepted accounting principles profitability. They are posting positive earnings quarter after quarter. This isn't just a story about dazzling technology and impressive growth anymore. It's increasingly a story about strong, sustainable profitability. The narrative is shifting, and the bears are getting squeezed. This company is executing with precision. Revenue growth, it's strong, it's consistent, and in key areas like the US commercial sector, it's absolutely accelerating. The artificial intelligence platform, or AIP, is acting as a massive catalyst here. We're seeing an incredible surge in customer acquisition in the commercial space. Companies are realizing they need Palantir's capabilities to compete in the age of AI. And what's more, the sales cycle, which used to be a point of concern for some, is shortening. This is the flywheel effect in full swing. More customers lead to more data, which makes the platforms even better, which attracts even more customers. It's a beautiful thing to watch. So what truly sets Palantir apart from the pack? What's their secret sauce, their unfair competitive advantage? It's not just about having sophisticated software. Lots of companies have smart engineers. Palantir's distinction lies in its unparalleled ability to tackle incredibly complex, large-scale data integration and analysis problems that, frankly, most other companies wouldn't even know where to begin with. Their platforms, Gotham, Foundry, and now AIP, are specifically designed for the messy, chaotic reality of real-world data. They don't shy away from complexity, they thrive on it. This capability is woven into the very DNA of the company. Another key differentiator is the seamless integration of their core platforms. Gotham, Foundry, and AIP aren't just standalone products. They form a comprehensive, interconnected ecosystem. Data can flow smoothly between them. Insights can be generated and shared across an entire organization, from the intelligence analyst to the factory manager to the AI developer. Palantir isn't just playing for today, they're playing for keeps for decades to come. They aren't fixated on the next quarter's earnings report, though they are delivering there too. Their vision is far grander, far more ambitious. They aim to become the default operating system for data and artificial intelligence for the entire world. Yes, you heard that right. For governments, for major corporations, for critical institutions across the globe. This is a bold, audacious goal, the kind that defines truly transformative companies, and frankly, with their technology, their talent, and their track record, they have a legitimate shot at achieving it. Their growth strategy involves aggressively expanding into new industries and geographies. While their US commercial business is booming, it's still in the relatively early innings of its potential. International markets represent a vast, largely untapped opportunity for Foundry and AIP. And the beauty of their platforms is that new use cases are constantly emerging. As more organizations realize the power of integrated data and AI, the total addressable market for Palantir's offerings just keeps expanding. Make no mistake about it, folks. The AI revolution is not some distant future prospect. It's here. It's happening right now. This isn't just another tech trend. It's a fundamental technological shift as profound and far-reaching as the internet or the rise of mobile computing. Artificial intelligence will transform every single industry. It will reshape every business. It will touch nearly every aspect of our daily lives. Companies that effectively harness the power of AI will thrive. They will dominate. Those that fail to adapt, those that get left behind, will simply become obsolete. It's that stark. It's that simple. In this AI gold rush, Palantir is not just another prospector hoping to strike it rich. They are providing the essential picks, shovels, and sophisticated machinery. Their platforms, Gotham, Foundry, and especially AIP, are what enable organizations to actually use artificial intelligence in meaningful, impactful ways. They provide the tools to deploy AI models, to manage them effectively, to integrate them with existing workflows, and to extract real, tangible value from them. Why Palantir is a screaming buy now. So, after all this, what's the final verdict? What's the bottom line for you, the savvy investor? Palantir Technologies is, without a doubt, a unique and compelling company. They are a true category leader in a space that is set to define the future. They possess a massive runway for growth, fueled by the unstoppable force of the AI revolution. And let me be clear, this revolution is only just getting started. Palantir is perfectly strategically positioned to not just participate but to lead this transformation. This is the kind of investment opportunity that doesn't come around every day. You do not want to miss out on this. Consider the powerful combination Palantir offers: the stability and recurring revenue of its deeply entrenched government business, coupled with the explosive, hyper-growth potential of its rapidly expanding commercial segment, especially with AIP. The financial picture is improving dramatically, with consistent profitability now a reality. Their technology is widely regarded as best in class, solving problems others can only dream of tackling. And the leadership team, spearheaded by Alex Karp, is visionary and fiercely committed. All the essential ingredients for sustained long-term success are firmly in place. This isn't just another stock. It's a strategic investment in the future of data and intelligence. Yes, I know, the stock has had an incredible run, up 66% year to date as of May 2025. Some might look at that and think they've missed the boat. Don't let that short-term thinking scare you away. The potential here is still absolutely enormous. What are your thoughts? Are you buying Palantir? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth stock analysis, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.